Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give access to a Facebook business page. Whether you're adding an admin, employee, moderator, or intern, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So for us to be able to begin, make sure that you're already in onto your Facebook page. So if you're still onto your personal account, just simply click onto your profile here onto the upper right and choose in the Facebook page when you want to go ahead and try to add someone. Then once you're in here, click onto your profile here so that you could get redirected here under manage page. So you'll see a settings here onto the left side. Click onto that. Right after, if you scroll here, you should be able to find in the page setup option. So simply click onto that. That is under audience and visibility. So if you click onto that, there are a lot of options available in here, such as page access. So this is where we could invite people to help you manage your page. Click onto this and we're gonna click on add new to add another person with access onto this Facebook page. Simply click on next and then search in their name in here, for example, this one. And then right after, just click onto the profile that you want to add. So let's try to find other people here. So click onto that and then right after, and you'll just have to go ahead and toggle this on to allow this person to have full control. Click on give access, type in your password in here and click on confirm. And then right after, finish the verification here. So just click on continue to go ahead and verify your email. And then right after, as you can see, we have successfully added someone already in here to go ahead and have access onto this Facebook page. This person will now receive a Facebook notification to accept the role. Once they confirm, they will have access to managing the page based on the assigned permission. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.